What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com. Doing a quick review on the SPY. Big sell-off today, down 3%. Not surprised. We've been talking about this in Ask a Trader for quite some time now. And what we've been looking at was some of the divergence that we've been dealing with. Now, you can see that price action since early June has been rising, but over that same time period, you can actually see that momentum has been fading, and this is the bearish divergence that we've been talking about for ages now. I was also on a call with a client, and we were talking about the fact that the market sentiment towards the SPY was heavily weighted on the options chain to the put side, which suggested that the market was more bearish than it was bullish. And for me and my team, it was just a matter of time before the SPY started to roll over and before the S&P started to roll over and start to get a little bit heavy. And price action, obviously here, as you can see, over the last 5 sessions, has started to roll over, and that's what we've got here on the SPY. Now, what we were talking about in Ask a Trader was not to actually short the S&P or the SPY, but to go long the ETN, the VXX, which tracks volatility. And we were talking about this at about $24, $25, and we were looking at a $35 price target, which is a 200-day simple moving average on this daily chart. You can see that price action actually closed just below 30 bucks. So we're just shy of our target. Meanwhile, a whole handful of traders in the J. Lewis Trading community have been talking about this in chat and have profited very, very, very well on this particular trade. If you have any questions about what we're up to on the S&P and the VIX and anything else that we're trading, either on the low float side or the option side, feel free to email me directly, julian@jlewistrading.com. Feel free to reach out, maybe even join us in one of our members-only webinars, Ask a Trader, which we host on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And for all of the community members that are watching this quick review, don't forget to chime in tomorrow in chat. We're going to be putting out, obviously, a lot of pre-market news and putting together some trades for the team. So don't forget to meet us in chat tomorrow. Again, if you have any questions, I'm at julian@jlewistrading.com.